pick up with problem number 65 on your homework. Is where I left off. So problem 65, the directions say find the slope-intercept form of the equation of the line that passes through the given point and has the indicated slope, and sketch the line. Okay, so the points they give me for 65 are, they give me point -5.1, comma 1.8. They tell me that it has a slope of 5. So -5.1, whoops, is just a little past -5, and then up 1.8. So I'm looking at about in here. And a slope of 5 will mean up 5 and over 1. And up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 is off the graph. Okay, so I could also go down 5, 1, 3, 4, 5, and backwards 1. So something like that for a line. And if I used this feature, my line should turn out pretty straight. Whoa. So that's the sketch of the line. And they want the slope-intercept form. So we're going to use y equals mx plus b. I need to know two things. I need to know what is m and what is b. And drawing this, I know b is going to be somewhere up here above 10, but I'm not exactly sure where it's going to be. So I'm going to use this for my x and y, and I'm going to plug in to find b. So I write 1.8 equals 5 times -5.1 plus b. 5 times -5.1, I'm just going to do this on the calculator sitting next to me instead of pulling up the calculator on the screen. I get 1.8 equals -25.5 plus b. Add 25.5 to both sides. And I get that b equals 1.8 plus 25.5. And I'm going to keep my answer as a decimal because there's decimals in the problem. So 27.3 is b, so the equation of this line is y equals 5x plus 27.3. And that's the answer to 65. Alright, problem 70. Find the slope-intercept form of the equation of the line passing through the points and sketch the line. In 70, they give me the points -1, 4, and 6, 4. Alright, so -1, 4 is here, 6, 4 is here, so I'm looking at this horizontal line. Whoa, why didn't that draw straight? I don't like that. Try that again. -1, 4 and 6, 4. You have the ability to get a straight edge. I don't, so I'm going to use this feature, which makes a straight edge. And they had one that had arrows on both ends, but I'm going to just do it like that. And I can draw the arrows on both ends. There's the line. They want me to write the slope-intercept form of the equation. So first thing I'm going to do is find the slope. It's 4 minus 4 over 6 minus -1, which is 0 over 7. So the slope of this line is 0, and if you notice, it's a horizontal line. Every horizontal line that has a slope of 0, the equation is just y equals some number, and you want to look at your points to see what that number is, and in this case, it's 4. So this line is y equals 4. If it had been a vertical line, those have the equations x equals some number. Alright, number 75. Alright, in 75, they give me the points 1, 0.6, and -2, -0.6. So over 1, up 0.6 is here, -2, down 0.6 is here. If I were to sketch that line, I'm looking at something that goes, keeps on going, something like that. Alright, the slope of this line is y2 minus y1 over over x2 minus x1, which is negative 1.2 over negative 3. I'm going to divide, and I'm wanting to write this answer as a decimal because the problem has decimals in it. So 0.4 is my slope. So now I'm going to choose one of these 2 points to use for my x and y, and it really doesn't matter which one you do, get the same answer, because I need 2 things. I need to know m, which I just found, and I need to know b, which I don't know yet. Move this out of the way a little bit. So I'm going to use this for my x and y. I put 0.6, that's y, equals m times x plus b. So I get 0.6 equals 0.4 plus b, subtract 0.4, and I get 0.2 equals b. So the equation of this line is y equals 0.4x plus 0.2. And that's the equation of the line in slope-intercept form. Let's look at number 80. Number 80 is the same kind of a deal. Number 80, the points are 1.5, negative 2, and 1.5, 0.2. So this particular line is a horizontal line. I mean a vertical line. I said that wrong. It's a vertical line. The slope, if you have the points 1.5, negative 2, and 1.5, 0.2, you would do 0.2 minus negative 2 over 1.5 minus 1.5, which is 2.2 over 0, or undefined, because you can't divide by 0. It's a vertical line. Every vertical line has the equation x equals whatever that number is that it's crossing through, and this one happens to be 1.5. So the equation of the line for problem number 80 is x equals 1.5. I'm going to end this video here and then pick up with problem number, we don't have to do 85, so I'm going to pick up with number 90 on the next video.